first of all, if we go to a wall elevation, what you'll see here is you can move the camera right back to the very furthest wall in the room. So this is our back run of kitchen, a bit of a side of island, sort of breakfast bar space. But of course, you might not want to see all of that. You might want to see your dining area. So if you bring that visibility depth down, get rid of the kitchen portion of the room, you can then see your dining area and the little lounge area here. If we go to the plan view, what you're doing here is moving the visibility depth from one end of the room up towards the front here. And then a bit of a trick that I think I showed in the electrical plan video is sometimes you can find your electrical, your plug sockets and switches get a little bit hidden once your room's more furnished. So you can use the visibility depth just to get down to that, what's on the wall, what's the decor, where's the paneling going, where's those sockets kind of level. Maybe here's okay, I can see the switch and the plug sockets here quite clearly. But yeah, again, you can reduce that visibility depth so that you can see those alone.